I've planned a bike ride to the Statue of Unity with my friend Varun and two of my mamas, and we're going to be staying there for a couple of days, coming back on the third day. And I have decided to film it. I've got this action camera with me, so if the clips are good, I will definitely post it online, and I'm really very excited for it. Right, so I'm all packed up. These are my everything that I'm carrying. There's my jacket, there are my shoes. I have to wake up at 3:34 tomorrow and ready to go, and I'll be wearing my jacket later. Let's go. Bye bye. Bye bye. I have left. I'll be waiting for Varun at the highway, and we'll be meeting my mama. Met Varun. There's Varun. Let's go. Okay, so the ride has officially begun. Varun is in front of me, and we are off to Ahura for breakfast, and I'm very excited. I'm not at all sleepy. हमको टोल नहीं लगेगा, लगेगा। Oh my God, look at these beauties. माझे हात एकदम नम, मी असं असं करतोय. नाही, मी ना नंतर पळवली, हा नव्हता ना, मग नंतर बोललो येतो मी. Okay, we filled the fuel. Now we are heading to Gujarat.
गुजरात क्रॉस केला ना बॉर्डर, गुजरात बॉर्डरला कदाचित चेकिंगला थांबवतील ना.
हा,
चेकिंगला कदाचित आता 100 आणि 90च्या स्पीडनेच जायचं. आता 70.
just entered Gujarat. Now we are off. Took a small break. I had to fill petrol. That's the only problem that I have with my bike. मजा आया भाई, लेकिन क्या हाईवे था. हाँ, स्ट्रेट है ना, उधर खड्डा है और थोड़ा आड़ा टेढ़ा रास्ता है. 130 वगैरेला घेऊ, एकच स्टॉप घेऊ ना, एक घेऊ मग नंतर डायरेक्ट हॉटेलमध्ये थांबूया. हवा चेक करूया. तो just had lunch. We're on the road again. I could not shoot for a little while because the battery of the action camera died. There are so many usate farms over here, sugarcane, and the smell of jaggery is every fucking where, and for a while it's good, but when you keep taking it in constantly, it just gets into your head.
बर्थडे में पिएगा।
Oh, party animal in the house.
अनुरागू।
Drip. It's the next day and today we have to go to the Statue of Unity. I did not show you guys my room. This is it. It's left. But the view is amazing.
French sway, I mix the fist sick, quick loss, take a risk, we play for the win. Might spend $1 million at the rug store like man afford. But making purchases you can't afford. I move the money like it's illegal. Something more
और वरुण की गाड़ी फट गई, इतना थक के गाड़ी चला के आए, शाम को मॉल गए, रात को नशा भी किया, ड्राई स्टेट में नशा किया हम लोग ने। हाँ ना भाई, गोवा में क्या नशा, असली नशा तो गुजरात में करना चाहिए। Statue of Unity, boys.
Bible on the dash with the holy wine. I know I put in work, they didn't notice none. Switch gears, clubhouse, took me 6 years. Marble floors, gold trim, feel like I'm Richie Rich. Tying left, French sway, I mix the fist sick, quick laws, take a risk, we play for the win. Chips all on the board, no I'm invested. Italian blazer, come double-breasted. Loafers in Florence, we paid for it. Through every battle I was tested, now I'm vetted, talking top floors. Luck sweet, see dreams are not yours, got mine, going global.
This is the museum. We entered from there. That was Vallabhbhai Patel's head. We are inside Statue of Unity. This is how it's made.
Cruising came from pain driven and hot temper to calculated passing on my mentors. Driving on the road like I'm the only one. Shooting to the green, I talking holy wine. Bible on the dash, they with the holy wine. I know I put in work, they didn't notice none. Switch gears, clubhouse, took me 6 years. Marble floors, gold trim, feel like I'm Richie Rich. Tying left, French sway, I mix the fist sick, quick loss, take a risk, we play for the win.
एवढा मोठा पाय. चला
French sway, I mix the fist sick, quick loss, take a risk, we play for the win. Might spend $1 million at the rug store.
This is so magnificent, man. Show you. We're going to the food court now. Yeah, popcorn line hai ye.
Took L's, know how those days go, say so. He say, but nothing ain't no pesos. Deals locked, it's like a case closed, bankroll. Different league, we don't use money phones. Trusting the artist, his hands.
आईला कोंबडी.
Pray up to the Lord, he knows
ये गावठी है.
all on the earnest, you know I'm heading towards. Like a Chevy
एक नंबर. रूम आला का मूड ना.
चोच बघ ना.
इंडिया अफ्रीका में.
French sway, I mix the fist sick, quick
Jiggly.
Chips all on the board, no I'm invested. Italian blazer, come double-breasted. Loafers in Florence, we paid for it. Through every battle I was tested, now I'm vetted, talking top floors. Luck sweet, see dreams are not yours, got mine. Going global, it's like a world tour. Kids straight, savings growing, this what we work for. Wifey great, love flowing, we don't need Cupid stupid. Nova bring the bass and watch them screw face. Spit to the pressure, give me toothaches. You play checkers, I chess them to see who moves fake. I want that Bruce Wayne money, no time for two-face. Old friends doubted me, I cut the loose ends. Real friends around me, the whole cruise in came from pain driven and hot temper to calculated passing on my mentors. Driving on the road like I'm the only one. Shooting to the green, I talking holy wine. Bible on the dash, they with the holy wine. I know I put in work, they didn't notice time. Switch gears, clubhouse, took me 6 years, marble floors, gold trim, feel like I'm Richie Rich, Italian left, French sway, I mix the fifth, sick, quick loss, take a risk, we play for the win.
गाड़ी कौन सा पसंद है तुम लोग को चारों में से? ये क्या बात है यार, पक्का चलाएगा?
हम लोग गए स्टैचू ऑफ यूनिटी गाड़ी के साथ फ़ोटो निकालने शाम को। क्या बोलता है मेरे भाई पुलिस वाला?
बोलता नहीं जा सकते तुम लोग।
क्या बाइक लेके आने नहीं दिया?
हाँ, बाइक
फ़ोटो खींचने। और अभी क्या कर रहा है हमारे साथ?
बोलता है ऑटो लेके जाने का, नहीं तो जाने का ही नहीं।
पेन ब्रो पेन।
क्या बोलते हैं? अरे ब्लैक ये रहता है जो साइड निकल
सिलोहेट। सिलोहेट ग्रुप मेरा सिलोहेट ले मैं बता के खत्म। बहुत घूमा, बहुत मज़ा आया। 3 दिन का ट्रिप खत्म हो गया।
मैं नंगा हूँ।
नहीं नहीं भाई नहीं, पागल है क्या? दंगा बोल हो गया। अभी पैकिंग कर रहे हैं, कल सुबह 7 बजे निकलना है। कल नहीं रिकॉर्ड करेगा भाई, 2 दिन किया, बहुत हो गया, इरिटेट हो रहा है। चलो
All right, all packed up and all done. Now we are heading back home. It's 7 and I'll be leading them out. Oh boy, it's a 8 hours ride home and it's fucking cold. We'll stop in between. That will make it a good 10-11 hours ride. Oh, let's go. I've slept well, not actually very tired.
Alright, so I'm back home. We got home at around 3 when we left at around 7 a.m. and we came home pretty quickly. I remember that. It's been a few days and I forgot I did not record the ending to the video. So I'm doing this now. The ride was fun. My hands did not pain because of the riding posture. They usually pain, but because it was all highway, I had no problems over there. When we left at 7, it was showing that we would reach at around 3:45 or something, but we made it home at 3 with taking 2 breaks, one for fueling and one for eating. So you can count that as 1 hour, and we still managed to get home at 3. So that is 2 hours early, almost approximately 2 hours early, which was a very good thing. While coming back, it was for half the road, it was only me and Varun, and we never came down 120, constantly on 120, 130 throughout the highway. And this is it. This is the end.